Imagine making $8,449 in just 7 days with a tiny Chrome extension, or quickly ranking one video and pulling in $1,667 in 3 days with 3 minutes of work. How about saving boatloads of time with every video description you do? Instead of spending 45 minutes to 1 hour grueling over each one, why don't you just do 3 minutes of simple work, pressing a few buttons for a perfectly SEO optimized description? Even if you don't know what SEO is, or if you've never even ranked a video before, follow the simple training, press a few buttons, and have what you need to rank and bank. This means launch jacking products, evergreen recurring offers, local ranking easily at your fingertips. Follow the two-step process to get rankings that bring targeted traffic. We all know what targeted traffic brings.
Stop throwing away cash. I combined 9 apps that I used for video ranking and smashed them all into one awesome Chrome extension. PCS TUBEGROWTH. Are you ready to save money and rank faster? Ranked hashtag suggestions from your root keyword, including how many videos and channels use them. Ranked keyword tag suggestions based on your target key phrase, sorted by how many videos in the top 20 use them. AI keyword-based paragraph description builder. Either combine multiple keywords for each paragraph or create one paragraph per keyword. Video screenshot grabber, saved at the specified timestamp. Pull the high-quality photos to use on your social media accounts, blog posts, or upcoming ebook. Industry-first AI video transcription with punctuation creator, powered by AI. Linguistic punctuation engine. Download the SRT file and read it with Notepad. Use it for your blog posts or upcoming ebook. Maximize rankings with the saved video series creator and key moments builder. Save canned text blocks. For your affiliate disclaimer, social links, or any frequently used text that you need close at hand to quickly build your ranking video description. Last but not least, have a little fun with the all-encompassing emoji picker. You have access to every emoji available on YouTube. Quickly increase attention and conversion rates to specific parts of your video description. Using emotes, find frequently used emojis, search by keyword for emojis, and get ready to have more fun ranking with all the right tools in one place. Stop throwing away cash and losing time jumping back and forth between all the productivity apps. Quickly give your video the key ranking factors and spend your day doing the things you love. PCS TUBEGROWTH Chrome extension. Grab it now and never look back.